Decision in November not to indict Darren Wilson, the U.S. Justice Department is not bringing charges either. It says there isn't enough evidence to prosecute the former police officer on civil rights grounds.
That the facts do not support the filing of criminal charges against Officer Darren Wilson in this case. Michael Brown's death, though a tragedy, did not involve prosecutable conduct on the part of Officer Wilson.
While federal prosecutors concluded there was no evidence that Brown's race played a role in the officer's decision to shoot, a U.S. Justice Department probe has faulted the city of Ferguson and its police for racial bias. The report released Wednesday found African Americans made up 93% of all arrests made between 2012 and 2014. The Justice Department says this has created a toxic environment in Ferguson.
This investigation found a community that was deeply polarized, a community where deep distrust and hostility often characterized interactions between police and area residents, a community where both policing and municipal court practices were found to be disproportionately harmful to African American residents, a community where this harm frequently appears to stem, at least in part, from racial bias, both implicit and explicit.
For Michael Brown's parents, the decision not to pursue federal charges against Darren Wilson comes as no surprise. But they're hoping the Justice Department's report will help bring about change in Ferguson and around the country. So far, the findings have prompted a swift response from the city's mayor,